"We're going to have to wait it out," Corell said, pointing forwards. There's a rock face about 20 feet through the cloud there. We can hole up beside the rock and sit it out. Conditions like this won't last long." Still twittering on about how exciting the earthquake was, Corell led them through the cloud. Within 2 minutes, the wall of rock loomed high in front of them. With no more quakes shaking the ground, Anthony felt the pit of his stomach solidify and his feet steady. He put his back against the rock wall and sucked in a deep breath. Slowly, the world around him stopped spinning as the panic receded. It felt good to be still.